are worthless, but planning is everything. Sounds good, but what does it mean? You will know. Hello everyone and welcome to Bikai's YouTube channel. I'm Ushma Menon, your online business coach. And in this episode of Bikai's Startup Series, we will talk about business plans. Now quickly jumping back to the quote, plans are worthless but planning is everything. See, many entrepreneurs think that a business plan is nothing but a waste of time. And we cannot blame them. Even many successful entrepreneurs have said that they never looked at their business plan once they launched. But then these same people also stress on the value that the plan and especially the planning process has offered them. So what is the gist here? Should you spend time to create and write down your business plan or not? Not convinced? Let me explain it further. When you will sit down to research and think about your business plan, you will get clarity on what your first step should be and what should be the next one. You will also be able to set short and long-term goals and milestones which will act as a blueprint to work on and also help smoothen the whole process. And don't worry, I'm not here to simply motivate you to build a business plan and then leave you to start from scratch. We will discuss right here what are the steps that you can follow to build a successful business plan that will assure you growth and sustainability. Now let's dive in. Oh wait, before you work on your business plan, I hope you've come up with an incredible business idea, refined it, found the perfect name for it, and if you need any help or guidance in any of these topics, then we have covered it in the previous episodes of Bikai's Startup Series. You can go and check them out, they're all yours. Now let's start with the essential components of a business plan. Number one, executive summary. In simple terms, an executive summary is an overview of your business and your plans. Make sure you write this summary in concise and interesting way because if you want to get investors on board, this is the first thing they'll ask for. And a quick tip here, it's better to write this summary once you've completed the planning and research process so that you can make sure that you include all the important aspects in it. Number two, opportunity. Now this is where you explain the problem you're willing to solve. Because to be a successful business, you need to provide some value and it is best when the value is in form of a solution to any problem. Along with the problem, this section also includes solution, the target market, how your product fits into the existing market and what makes it unique. And also do a thorough competitor analysis to know where you stand in the market and what all things you can do better. Number three, execution. Now that you have a problem and a solution, the next step is implementation. It will also include your sales plan, goals, and metrics for success. Now, while writing the execution, do your research well and pen down the strategies you would be using for marketing and growth. Also focus on the development, designs, operations, and management plans. And if you want to cover all these topics in detail in individual videos, comment and let us know. Number four, financial plan. This section is very important. Here you will have to dig and dive deep to lay down a sales forecast, cash flow, income statement, and balance sheet. Now don't be scared, I know it does sound like a headache, but trust me, you can easily accomplish this task. And most importantly, don't believe in the stereotype that only a business expert can manage these reports. With a little bit of research, you can do it as well. You don't have to make it complicated, all you need is a simple overview. Number five, appendix. Now this section is completely optional. You can use it for additional information, details, or product images. And just like that, your business plan is ready. Don't stress too much, just work on it with ease and you will be surprised by how incredible and useful your planning will prove to be in the long run. If you have concerns, then pour them in the comment section or you can contact our customer support team anytime. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, and also click on that bell icon in the corner so that you don't miss out on any future updates. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you keep growing.